Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you on how to create a text on Canva using your phone. So let us get started. First, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select text. Here, you have the freedom to choose any font you like. And there are also pre-designed text templates available if you prefer a quick and stylish option. To add text, simply click on Add a Text box and start typing your desired text. Once you are done, tap on Done. Below your project, you will find the edit options, offering a range of creative possibilities. You can resize the font, change its colors, and experiment with different font styles. Additionally, you can add effects and animations to make your text truly stand out. With these powerful editing tools, you can craft a captivating and creative text on Canva that perfectly complements your design. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch and make your creations unique. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.